Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding Blue Moon in English. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, and it's a phrase that you might have heard quite often but might not fully understand. We are going to unravel the mystery behind the phrase, blue moon. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in your conversations. So, let's dive in. Firstly, let's break down the words. Blue refers to the color blue, and moon refers to the Earth's only natural satellite. However, when we put these words together to form the phrase, blue moon, the meaning changes entirely. A blue moon does not refer to the moon actually turning blue. Instead, it refers to a rare event when there are two full moons in a single calendar month. This is a special occurrence because usually, there is just one full moon each month. Apart from its literal meaning, blue moon is also used figuratively to describe something that happens very rarely. For example, if someone says, "I only go to the cinema once in a blue moon," it means that they hardly ever go to the cinema. It's a way of emphasizing the infrequency of an event. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. I see my old college friends once in a blue moon. We're all so busy with our lives. 2. My grandmother treats herself to a fancy dinner once in a blue moon. 3. They release a new product once in a blue moon, so it's always a big deal when they do. In these sentences, once in a blue moon highlights how seldom these events occur. And that's about it for blue moon. It's a wonderful phrase to use when you want to talk about something that doesn't happen very often. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more confident using blue moon in your conversations. Remember, learning English is a journey, and you're doing great. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.